Hello and welcome to Chartbusters. Well, this is a show where we'll highlight all the buzzing stocks of the day. For starters, the Nifty is doing very, very well. But remember, it's expiry day, so the real action will be in the final hour of trade. At least the first hour of trade has been good. We have covered most of the losses that we saw yesterday. The Nifty is back at around that 11,500 odd mark. Well, Mangalam, good morning. What a series it has been. The Nifty has seen a big run, 6%, 6.5% in just this series. And the Nifty Bank up more than 3,000 points in absolute terms. That's the first time that we have seen such a big run on the Nifty Bank in a single series. Today up only 0.3%. But let's be fair to the Nifty Bank. Let's pull up a 1-month chart, and that will tell you the kind of move that we have seen. 27,000 all the way to around 30,000 odd.
Absolutely. You know, Nifty gaining about 700 points. The Nifty Bank, in terms of percentage, has actually doubled what Nifty has done. 6% gain on the Nifty, 12% on the Nifty Bank. Importantly, the mid-cap index has also outperformed the frontline index for the first time in 2019. In fact, for the first time in the last many months. So the mid-cap index currently trading above 18,000. The first time that it has traded above 18,000 in 2019. But all that up until 3 p.m. and then we will see what happens on expiry day. As usually, we see a jittery last hour during expiry. First up, all the top stories that we're tracking, and then we get cracking on individual stocks and corporates. IT stocks, they gain in trade today on the back of a mild weakness that we've seen in the rupee. HCL Tech leads the pack as Bank of America Merrill Lynch has upgraded the stock to buy, adds that the company is poised to gain from large deal intake and lower portfolio drag.
And NBCC surges on the back of order wins. They bag orders more than 1,000 crores. Includes an order for development under the Namami Gange program in Bihar and redevelopment of the Puducherry railway station.
Shriram Transport marches ahead on the back of positive management commentary coming in at the CS conference. Management expects the commercial vehicle market to pick up in the second half of FY20. Adds they're confident of margins due to yield increases.
All right, Nifty is at around 11,500 odd. It's expiry day, so things are going to get rather volatile, particularly in the final hour of trade. Ashwini Gujral joins in to give us his strategy on the Nifty at 10:30 a.m. Ashwini?
See, basically, you know, on volatile days or expected volatile days, you should be, taking your profits off early and then sitting on the side. I think the market gave you that opportunity in the morning, and right now, a good time to take money off, at least on Bank Nifty and CNX IT. Overall, today should be sideways. Yesterday was sideways, so my sense is 11,450 thereabouts and 11,550, 100-point range should ensue for the day. Having said that, individual stocks, PSU banks are doing very well. So Canara Bank is a buy with a stop of 284, target of 298. Bank of Baroda is a buy with a stop of 120, target of 131. And State Bank is a buy with a stop of 306, target of 321.
Right, Ashwini, you know, I was hearing you yesterday as well in the last hour of trade where you initiated a contra long, and from there you've one would be sitting on a 100-point gain, and now you're suggesting that maybe it's good time to take money off the table. For those who would have missed that 100-point rally, is there any fresh trade up until expiry, or maybe stay on the sidelines and stick to the stocks that you're talking about?
See, the point was that yesterday Nifty came off in the last half an hour, and that way, today morning there was a good chance of a rebound happening. But now the rebound is over, so if you go long here, I don't think you'll get too much. In fact, before the expiry, a lot of other people may also book profits.
Okay, all right. Thanks so much for joining in, Ashwini, and giving us all those details. But anything his disclosures as well will flash for you on the screen. But let's get straight then to CNBC-TV18 exclusive. Now, sources